What's going on, YouTube? It is time to make us a video today. We are working on Beefy's car. I've got Whitey over here. It is gorgeous. It is beautiful. It is time to do some race car stuff. I'm gonna update the tune, or I'm gonna data log it. Had to update my tuner. 2,754 files later, over an hour of it updating, and it is finally good. But we're going to try to make some test hits on it this evening if all possible, depending on the weather. It is gorgeous right now, but the way things work, I don't know if you can see, hopefully that will just sort of dissipate. But let's check out and see if Beefy's gotten anything done on his.
We'll put a line and
Oh, Ill Will gonna be on YouTube's. So we're doing away with this. Let's look up in that unit.
there's nothing wrong with that.
No,
That's fine. You only need one.
it's good. It's good.
It won't fall out.
No.
It's all right.
Heck yeah.
He was doing that when I was at the track.
Woo. Just clack, and it wasn't knocking. It was just a motor mount. Just cracked all the pieces.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
I do that because I want everybody to think it's not.
Yeah. That's it.
Take that out and weld.
You know, I don't have a welder. You have a welder?
I
You
can
weld?
Get it welded.
Do you weld?
I can get it welded.
Where's Chris? Hey,
I can get it welded
Dick Lips.
if y'all want to take it out.
Is that metal? Yeah. Quit screwing up my quality body work. If that pops out, I'm kicking you in the balls.
Quality. That's just where you hold your knives.
Oh, it's bad.
Oh, it's not even holding. We thought it was holding a little bit. It ain't holding at all.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's just going. It's like that. It's like that. What's that? The trucks? It's like those trucks when you're like blam 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 blam. That's what exactly how
You didn't see the
you
latest
hear-
development.
You're- What's our latest development? What is that?
Non-existent.
Yeah.
Whoa! Wait, what?
What is it?
That's why they've put some sort of wedge in there. It's only holding on half of it. That's not touching anything.
Well, they do cut the they cut the K member out.
It's been welded.
No, they cut the K member. Like they took a torch to the K member to get the bolt out. I'm assuming that's what's happened. Because the whole back side of this section is gone, whereas this one is good.
We're gonna blame them, bro.
We're gonna blame
I don't
him
think
just
they
'cause
really
he's my
did
cousin.
Okay, well, it's a good thing you have like a whole tubular K member,
I
correct?
wouldn't race
Yeah,
it like
yeah.
this. I wouldn't race it like this. Probably couldn't. If it bounces enough, vibrations like that's what kills
Let's-
the block.
Oh God, something's leaking.
You're ruining my day.
Oh my goodness!
No, you can get shit fixed.
Look at this. Look at this. It looks like a strawberry milkshake over here. I love it. These were loose. Not loose no more. Huh?
Nothing.
I don't have. I didn't get it on, did me?
Yes.
Ah no. Where?
It's just a VP shot.
It's I mean it's just VP racing. Fuel sucks anyways.
This is not a Coyote. You can't walk underneath
Probably
this.
the most.
Yeah. went and got food, and you went and got a trans cooler. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, just a nice little bar plate deal. I hear a janky 7.3 right here.
Parking next to a very nice.
Yeah, parked next to a nice 7.3. So we're gonna have some better cooling capabilities. No more junk up in this radiator. And you're having fun up in this. Up in this bee.
Squeeze.
It's fucking hot, boy.
You're lucky you don't have to edit me every time I'm on it.
I know, you're good. But you've been on it a little bit.
I consciously think about it. I'm like,
Consciously think about it.
YouTube would have me invent my own page if they could hear me.
Oh, you know what? I've got to order that. I keep forgetting to order that block off plate thing. I want to order one for this here. This block off plate for the fuel pump.
Oh, for yours.
Yeah, for mine. I keep
I
forgetting.
see how it is. We're back to your shit. Okay.
Well, yeah.
Edit again.
Duh. I don't know. Don't you have a bull to ride or a Luke Bryan concert to attend?
That was good.
Not till the 12th.
Damn. You'll be out late tonight then, ain't you?
Till the 12th, as in July 12th. Increase the capacity.
Very little, right? Sorry, that's a add.
That's right there is the top of it.
What do you think about half a quart?
It needs to add a little bit. I think half a quart be good. What kind of shady stuff is going on over here?
You want it marked right there? I want to check it for what it is now.
I know, but do you want?
Woo! All right, so what's going on YouTube? Just here at the shop, realized that we hadn't done an outro for this video. We got a lot of stuff done on Beefy's car. He needs motor mounts, the K-member. He's actually swapping K-member motor mounts, coilovers, things like that. Needs a transmission mount. That deal was some ghetto stuff if I've ever seen it. And yeah, we left from there and then we went and did some Mexico things. And so that will be in the next video. So just wanted to do an outro real quick, and that's gonna be it. Peace.